How to find saved videos on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can explore and view Facebook posts and pages. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Videos. You can view Facebook Reels from here. If you want to save a reel, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Save Video. The video has now been saved. Now, go to Menu at the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Saved. Here, you can find all your saved posts, collections, and more. You can now view your saved videos from here. You can always unsave the video if you want. Following these steps, you can easily find saved videos on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.